Welcome back to our channel. Today we're looking at the powerful and versatile j5create USB Type-C Type-C docking station. Let's dive into the features of this amazing device. 100-watt power delivery charging. This docking station supports pass-through charging, meaning you can charge your laptop, transfer data, and connect to external displays all at the same time without compromising speed or power. Triple display support. With HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA ports, you can connect up to 3 external monitors simultaneously, great for maximizing your productivity or enhancing your entertainment experience. Cutting-edge design for performance. All 13 ports are combined into one slim docking station. Advanced heat eliminating design prevents overheating, and the double-sided cable storage compartment allows flexible cable placement. Versatile display options. One of the coolest features is the versatile display options. You've got HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA. Whether you're connecting to newer or older monitors, the j5create docking station has you covered. Universal compatibility. Compatible with Microsoft Windows 10 and macOS 10.11 or later. The docking station is compatible with a wide range of laptops, including Dell XPS, HP, and more. As long as your laptop has a USB-C port, you're good to go. It's perfect for anyone who needs more screen space, faster internet, and reliable connections. Check the link in the description for more details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews.